Recording stopped.
Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. I welcome you again to today's Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning program. So I hope everyone can see my screen, correct? Now everyone can see my screen, correct? Okay, okay. Thanks for the confirmation. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. So before starting the session, I just want to show our social media handles. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. So Anil Kumar, can you just share your WhatsApp number here so that we can share your recording? Just before dropping, just share your mobile number here, WhatsApp number, so that yeah. So yeah, sorry again. So this is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. So before starting the session, I just want to show our social media handles. And so this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-based training. Okay, so we have almost 35.6K subscribers, and we have already uploaded a 380 plus videos here. If you can see, 380 plus videos are uploaded here. So if you can just select the video section, if you can just scroll down here. So we have uploaded a many useful videos here. Okay, SAP, Azure Data Engineering, Power BI Data Analyst Program, Artificial Intelligence, Snowflake, Salesforce, SAP, many useful videos are available here in our YouTube channel. So to just try to watch the videos. If you like our content, you comment on it, and subscribe to our channel for all the future updates. And this is our website. We have a website called razinformatica.com. Initially it was Raj Informatica. So and after adding all these cloud technologies, so we have just changed the name as Raj Cloud Technologies. On the left top corner you can see Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, so in our website, if you can just scroll down, this is our website homepage. If you can just scroll down, okay, so you can see whatever the software trainings that we are offering here, like artificial intelligence with machine learning, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Salesforce, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, Azure data engineering and Azure Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AWS and DevOps, GCP professional training, Kids coding, Python full stack development, Microsoft Power BI data analyst program, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Tableau training. These are few of our other courses that what we are offering here. And in our homepage, you can see the upcoming demo sessions as well. So you can see upcoming free live sessions. So you can see today's session as well. Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning program scheduled at 27th May at 8 p.m. In the same way, tomorrow we have Snowflake, and again on Thursday we have Azure. On Saturday, sorry, on Friday we have SAP. So in that way we have if you want to get any kind of upcoming programs, you can just visit our homepage and we can check out all the listed programs here. And apart from these courses and the upcoming programs, okay, so we have many other useful things as well in our website, like interview questions, materials, internship programs, many other things are added here. Just visit our website. I'm sharing the website link. I'm sharing the website link in the chat box. Okay, just visit our website so that you'll get all the updates. You will get all the upcoming updates as well. Very soon, we are planning to start service now, generative AI and testing programs as well. Okay, to get all the updates, just subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be getting all the updated information. I'm just sharing the YouTube channel link as well in the chat box. Okay, yes. So today you are in artificial intelligence plus machine learning with Python programming introduction session. So this course we have scheduled it for 60 days. Okay, so we are planning to complete this course within 60 days, and you're going to get like a 65 to 70 plus hours of training. And the classes timings will be evening 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST, 2 hours per day. Okay, 2 hours per day. The class timings will be evening 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST, and 4 days in a week. 4 days in a week. It is like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. For every two classes, like one day you will be getting as a holiday, so that like you can prepare well. Whatever the things that we have completed in these 2 days, you can complete it in the third day. Got it? In that way, like we have planned for this course, and like there is a 4 days in a week we'll be having classes. Okay. Yes. So complete AI and ML basics to advanced course will be covered here. End-to-end real-time training, real-time project, interview questions, resume preparation, everything we are going to cover here. Got it? And like we are also going to cover one real-time project as well here, and few case studies also. And each and every session, like we are going to provide you the recordings as well. Even if you miss the class, you can watch by checking these video recordings as well. And the new batch is starting from 5th of June. So if you can just see our website, in our website, if you can just go to the courses section, you can click on AI with ML training. Okay, so that like you can see this page. You can see this page. Okay, so the batch is starting from 5th of June. Okay, today is our introduction session, and the new batch is starting from 5th June. For registrations, like you can contact us on this number. On our website also you can see this 810-529-6858. This is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. You can just contact us on this number for any future information. And I have just like I'm going to share these WhatsApp and calling numbers as well, so that if you want to inquire us anything, you can just connect us on these two WhatsApp numbers, WhatsApp and calling numbers as well. And like further details about the registration process, the course fee, okay, and the special offer available today, all these things will be revealed at the end of the program, at the end of the session. Like you are going to get all these things. Just stay connected. Just stay connected till end of the session. You are going to get the complete information here. Got it? Yes. So without any delay, like I'm just like handovering the session to our trainer Advaith Garu. Advaith Garu, over to you, please.
Okay, thank you, Karthik. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you. Just a second. Just a
Yes,
second.
please.
As I said, there is some special offer will be available at the end of the program. So just stay connected. Share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box, so that we can share you today's session recording and material, and we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well, where you can get the complete updates about all the courses, and you can also get the information about how the placement opportunities are available right now. We have almost like a 300 plus people already there in the WhatsApp group. If you can like join the group, you can discuss about so how the opportunities are right now in the market, and like how the referrals are available. So on each and everything, like you can discuss. I request everyone to don't annotate the screen, please. Yeah. So I'll just like you'll get all these things. You can just share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box, please. You can select Raj Cloud Technologies and you can share your name and WhatsApp number, so that like you can get the today's session recording also. We'll just take a 30-second break. So we'll resume the session in 30 seconds. So use this time and share your name and WhatsApp number, please. Advaith, you can start after 30 seconds, please.
Okay. So guys, I'm sharing my screen once again. So can you see my screen, please? Can anyone respond that? Can you see my screen and can you listen my voice clearly? Okay. Yes, no? All right. Thanks. So let me introduce myself first. This is Advaith. So completed my post-graduation in statistics from the Usmania University, Hyderabad in the 2007 batch. Okay. After that, I worked as a data analyst for TNS India Private Limited, which is a market research company. Then after that, I joined with Genpact and worked as a data scientist for 10 years. And then come back to the Hyderabad again. So almost 15 years of work experience with the different industries, with the different roles, with the different domains. And parallelly, I started teaching the people from the last 6 years, from 2019 almost. Okay, and I continuing the services with the different industries, but parallelly I started teaching the people from 6 years with the different institutes, different organizations. Okay, so from the last 3 years, completely now currently working with a senior principal faculty with the different companies, almost taking up different challenges, working with corporates whenever they have requirement, whenever they need, working like a freelancer sometimes, working with the different industries and taking up the new challenges, working on the product development and all. Okay, so today we are going to talk about our machine learning with artificial intelligence. Okay, so I'll give the chance to talk to you if you have any questions in the between or at the end of the session also. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? To be frank, what is meant by artificial intelligence exactly? An intelligence, right? An intelligence that we are making, simply words, okay? Yeah, an artificial that we are creating, right? An intelligence that we are making in artificially. That means what? With the help of a computer, because computer does not have an intelligence. Computer is actually a processor, a faster thing, but we are feeding the knowledge. We are feeding the knowledge, okay, by passing some data. We are feeding the knowledge by passing some data inside our machine, and we are asking to make our machine trained. That's how the machine learning has been started. So during this, so from which time it has been initiated, this program, we are hearing this word artificial intelligence from the last 4 or 5 years, but actually this program has been initiated from the 1960s only. From the 1960s only, this research has been started by passing some knowledge, information into the computer in the form of a data. Okay. So what we are doing, yes, we are sending such information in the form of data, and the data. Now the question is, what is meant by data? What is meant by data? Data can be have in the form of structured and unstructured. What is meant by structured? A structured data will have in the form of rows and columns. For example, if I take an Excel sheet, it contains rows and columns information. Let's take this as an example. This is a data set of a hospital industry, where we are capturing the information of different patients' information. their gender, their age, their diabetic blood pressure, and all. With respect to hospital industry, like this kind of data, it is available in many industries. It could be tours and travels, right or not? The structured data availability in tours, tours and travel sectors are there. Okay, and manufacturing industries we have. Okay, and then e-commerce industries we have. Okay, and lot of other industries. Yeah, banking. This is also one of the most important. So all these industries are highly capturing such a data. And what is our primary job? Yes, take such a data inside and feed that knowledge into the computer such that our computer also becomes started think like us. We are trying to make an intelligence by artificially sending some data. We all people are what? Actually naturally made intelligence. Naturally made intelligence people. But artificially we are trying to feed some knowledge inside a computer such that our computer also will start think like us. Our computer also will start taking a decision like us. Okay. So here basically I discussed about what structured data. Then what is this unstructured data? Where do you find this unstructured data? Unstructured means what? No rows and columns. No rows properly, no proper columns. So that means what? If I take, yes, images, videos, audios, images, videos, audios, okay, comments, okay, feedbacks, all right, comments, feedbacks, reviews, blogs, articles, okay, scanning reports, okay, the daily chatting history that we do, Google search that you do. So all these are possibilities of what? Yes, unstructured data. So we are getting such a unstructured data highly from the last few years. Whenever we started using the smartphone from the 5-6 years or 10 years almost, okay? Yeah, we are getting a large amount of structured and unstructured data. And we are trying to utilize this data in feeding the knowledge to the computer. That's how a machine learning has been started. Machine learning. So machine learning is the subset of the entire artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a big set of course, which is a big subject. And what we are doing, yes, we are taking up some small part of the part which is called as machine learning, and we are trying to understand the concepts behind the machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of entire artificial intelligence world. So today, if you see, most of the industries are making what? Automation. Okay, automation is what is meant by automation? Yes, if a person who are working from so long with a similar kind of profile, and what the companies are doing, instead of using that person, we are replacing with an automation thing. Best example, if I take best example, the call center jobs. Do you hear this call center jobs nowadays? If you go back 2010, 2015s, up to that 2010 to 2015s, every industry is maintains, every service industry maintains a call center jobs. Example, if I choose Airtel. Airtel is maintaining a call center jobs to get connected with their customers. Okay, to understand their queries, to resolve their queries. Okay, so these call center jobs have been completely removed out or not. It's been vanished from the entire market. So instead of using call center jobs, what the Airtel is doing now? They prepare a chatbot. If you observe that, if you notice it that, if you are using Airtel in your home, Airtel Wi-Fi connection, so whenever your internet is been disconnected, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to raise a query nowadays. So when you are raising a query, an automation is coming in front of you and trying to ask some questions. Now what you are doing actually, you are responding there, you are replying there, you are answering there. Okay, so you are explaining the problems that what you are faced over there. You are explaining the problems that what you are faced over there. So once all the queries have been taken, and automatically, okay, a ticket will get raised to the backend team. So actually, what does it mean? A chatbot, which is an application of AI, which is developed by the Airtel company. Like that, so many industries are there. Have you noticed that IRCTC website? Anyone is noticed the IRCTC website? Let me show you. Here also, you will see a chatbot application is there. Look out here. Disha. Okay, write down some questions. Okay, I'm asking, yeah. I need the trains details of, okay, Sikandarabad to, okay, Tirupati. Let's see what happens. So automatically application has been opened and trying to help us. Okay, so I'm asking that, yes, list out the train details which are available. So I'm writing some query here. Let's see what happens. I entered my available spelling mistake. So currently it was telling that you are to find, yeah, please, I'm sorry, I don't have the access. So yeah, it was not able to tell that. Okay, maybe it was failure at this moment because of some other reasons. But in generally, this app is going to help us in details of the all the train details. Maybe because of this government service, sometimes maybe breakdown or something happens. Maybe it's not working. Okay, let's not worry. But this is what the applications have been developed with so many industries, and this is going to be replaced with all the concept jobs. It has been already happened like that in the software industries. In the software industries, a software programmer will also be replaced with an AI automation intelligence. So to make this, to control this, we are also supposed to be learn the related course to make ourselves automated in the market. So how do we do this? How do we do this? Yes, to make this understand, you are supposed to learn some specific tools here. We are supposed to learn some specific tools such as Python is the programming language is mandatory to learn. I'm not sure how many people are from coding knowledge, but however, this coding knowledge is mandatory to learn. So anyway, we'll start learning from the scratch level. So we are using a Python programming language, which will start from the scratch level. Without having the Python knowledge, we can't do it. Okay. And a little bit of statistics knowledge also important. Now, don't worry about the statistics. As I told, I am from the statistics background. So I'll give the best of my knowledge what I can do with you. So some fundamentals are here important. Some fundamentals are really important to learn. Later after, machine learning. So what is this machine learning? What you are going to do with this? I'll give you a simple example in understanding the machine learning concept. Okay. So machine learning is all about what? Predicting about the future. Predicting about the future. Okay. Let's take an example. I am taking age and weight of a different people. Imagine if a person's age is 20, he will be, let's imagine, he will be 70 kgs. If a person's age is 24, okay, let's say I'm making him as 75 kgs. If a person's weight is, again, age is 28, so I'm making him as 80. And if a person's age is 32, so I'm making as 85. And if a person's age is 36, so tell me what could be his estimated value here? For every 4 years, if he is growing 5 kgs, what could be the weight during his age 36? So what's the answer here? Probably 90, right? All of you agree with this? So if I ask you how you estimated, because the change that what you are seeing in the age variable, the same change, like same changes for every 4 years, 5 kgs are getting increasing, right or not? 5 kgs are getting increasing for every 4 years of change here. For every 4 years of change, you are observed that 5 kgs of getting increasing. On that basis, you estimated this. So I also want to give such a estimated knowledge to my computer. So I'm observing that change which is happening between the value to value, a pattern which is happening between the value to value. But not a pattern, a combination which is happening between the value to value. I want to identify that knowledge and I want to implement under the computer. By writing some Python code, we are going to implement under the computer. Okay. So if I draw a picture, how does it looks like? Let's see. If I draw a picture, how does it looks like? Picture in the sense, a graph. Okay. So in the mathematics, you might be heard about this is 0 axis, this is x axis, and this is y axis. So here I am taking those ages, and here those people's weights. So as age is increases, your weight will be increased up to some extent or not. Not all the ages, at a particular ages. For example, if he is 5 years or 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, like this. As age increases during these ages, definitely weights is increases. So what could be the weight of those people? Yes, at the age of 5, he will be some 15 kgs, then 20, then 25, like the 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 65, like this. If I am asking so many people, the points are being plotted like this. Agree with me or not? These points will be plotted like this. Not every person will be having the same weight exactly. Nah? For example, in this session, 25 years people is there. So another person will be 70 kgs. Okay. Second person will be 80 kgs at the same 25 years age. Probably possible or not. So that's why these points also plotted like this. Okay. So what is on here? Yeah, this is, let's say, yeah, 15 kgs. Okay. 25 kgs. Okay. Yeah, 35. Okay. 50, 60. So I just randomly plotted some values. So what your observation? Yeah, in which direction that is moving now? We are trying to understand that, yeah, in which slope it is moving, in which kind of slope it is moving. So this concept is being initiated from the mathematics. If you remember, in the mathematics, in your childhood days, there is something called y equal to mx plus c. So this mx plus c is your mathematics linear equation, right? So similarly, here also we are using the same thing. What is x here? Age. What is y here? Weight. So with respect to what amount of change, which is m, how much of change is happening in x values with respect to how much of change is happening in weight values, we are trying to calculate. So if you see, the m is exactly what you call in the mathematics? Slope. So the slope we are trying to identify. For the given data, the slope we are trying to identify. So this slope, once you calculate it from the given data, once you identify the slope value which is suitable to over there, okay, we are going to develop a machine learning model. Once I identified the machine learning model, and I will give this task to the computer to predict for the next sequence. So once I given this task to the computer, it will start predicting for the next sequence. For example, yeah, if I am asking you what could be the weight of a person when his age is 30. So it will start estimating the weight of a person. So probably he could be around some 83, something like this. So this decision making skills, I'm not going to take. This decision making skills, we are not going to take. Our machine will start estimating. So that is what our machine has been successfully understood the pattern between the ages and weights and started identifying the for the given age what could be his weight. So this is how the process will be uploaded. So we are writing. So what we are doing here, yes, we are writing a Python code in developing such a machine learning model. So to understand how this machine learning model will be developed, yes, we should have some knowledge of Python with statistics and little bit mathematics. A little bit mathematics are important. So not required too much, but some amount of knowledge is required. So once you understand the concepts behind the machine learning model, then we are going to learn something additionally. We'll call it as what? Here I'm writing, okay? Natural language processing. Natural language processing. So whenever, nowadays if you see ChatGPT, how this is processed? ChatGPT has been developed, na? Okay? And in your phone, you could see Meta AI. Hope you people have started using up these tools. What are these things actually? A big, large language models. Large language models. So these large language models are being developed from the fundamentals of this NLP techniques only. If you understand that NLP techniques very well, you will start understand that how the chatbots or chat GPTs or Meta AI models have been executed. Okay? And finally, the additional topic. However, these are all things that we are going to cover in our regular course. Okay? Python, statistics, machine learning, natural language processing. And after completing the NLP topics very well, now we are going to start with learning what? Deep learning. So deep learning is a little bit more advanced than what? Your machine learning models. Why it is advanced? Why? Because here you are trying to understand, yes, by sending an image inside the computer, now machine will start recognizing that the given image belongs to male image or a female image. If I show you some animal image, for example, if I'm showing you some animal image, will you able to recognize that animal or not? It could be dog or a cat or monkey or tiger, anything. So because we all people are already known about that, which animal looks like what features, which animal looks like what features. So I am also taking such data inside my machine, and I will ask my machine to predict that, yeah, given image belongs to which category. Given image, okay? Yes, given image belongs to which category. Given image belongs to which category. My computer will start recognizing that, okay, so this specific image, okay, for example, if I'm giving an input like this, okay, let's say 4 legs it has, plus 1 tail, plus almost of, let's say, some 25 kgs. So my machine will be start predicting that, okay, it could be a dog. It could be a dog. In simple words I mentioned, okay? Yes, if I'm taking up the same things, 4 legs with 200 kgs. So what it could be then? 4 legs with 1 tail with 200 kgs. So probably what is your mind running up? Definitely it could be a tiger. Right or not? So like that, yes, if I take, okay, 2 legs, okay, 0 tails, but probably 70 cages or 75 cages. So what is running in your mind now? It could be human. So what are these things actually? These are inputs. So I am sending the different inputs, and my model, our AI model, start predicting that, yeah, it is a dog or it's a tiger or a human. So that knowledge that we are trying to feed inside the machine. So our data may receive any kind of form. Our data may receive any kind of form. As I told, it could be in the form of a structured data or a unstructured data. So what is your job? Yes, understand the data type first. Understand the data type. Okay, understand the data type, and yes, identify the patterns. Identify the patterns. Understand the data type, identify the patterns. Okay, identify the patterns, and yeah, choose that the given problem. Choose that given problem statement. Okay, is belongs to, yeah, machine learning related, or else NLP related, or else deep learning related. Which kind of case study that you are handling it? Because either in machine learning or NLP or deep learning, these are all parts of what? Yes, under the AI. Okay, yes, under the machine learning. Yes, I'm writing as, again, deep learning is a subset. Actually, deep learning is again a subset of under the machine learning world only. Nothing new from there. So depends which data set that you are handling. Okay, my data set could be in the form of a, as I told, go back, yeah, in the form of images or videos or audios. So I will choose what? Yes, okay, I have to choose what? Deep learning techniques. If I am working on a reviews or blogs or articles, so I have to understand that, okay, I have to use NLP datasets, NLP, natural language processing techniques. If I am handling such a e-commerce data or banking sector kind of datasets, I have to understand that, okay, I have to use machine learning models. So to understand this machine learning or deep learning models, but where we are supposed to learn the concepts? Yes, as I told, from the mathematics, which is y is equal to mx plus. So for this, to acquire this knowledge, to get this knowledge, no need to be have a mathematician. No need to be have a mathematician here, to be frank. But the fundamentals that you learn in your childhood days, the fundamentals that you are learned in your childhood days, let's say in the 7th class, 9th class, 8th class, those fundamentals, once again, we have to revise it. Once you learned, once you revised it, no more asking in the interviews also. Only practicals will be applied, practical applications will be asked by the people. No more will ask in the interviews about the mathematics or statistics. Okay, only applications point of view people will ask. But to understand that concept very well, you are supposed to have revised up all these learnings. So that's why we created the entire roadmap, how to and what are the topics to be learned from our end. If you see, yes, here I have told, yeah, what are the different types of roles after completing the learnings, what kind of roles that you can expect. You can become a machine learning engineer, or a data scientist, or an AI engineer, or an NLP engineer, or a computer vision engineer, or an analyst with AI expertise, or any product consultant. So what are the topics that we are going to? So we divided our entire course into 8 weeks, probably. If required, we'll add up another 1 week. That's not a big deal. So for the first 1 week, we only learned the fundamentals of statistics in detail. For the second 1 week, we are going to work on Python classes. So that is what you are supposed to make your hands free in writing the code language. If you are from non-coding background also, no need to worry. We'll talk the discussions in the detail from the scratch levels. And from the third week, we are going to learn from where? Machine learning. This is where the actual subject will start from. That means that first 2 weeks we are only going to learn the fundamentals only, which is things related to us. From the third week, actually, the subject will get started. The entire look at this, third and fourth week, we are only concentrating on the machine learning models. And from the week 5 and 6, again 2 weeks, we are just learning only NLP techniques in detail. And the last 2 weeks, we are going to work on the deep learning topics as well. So if you see, every step by step, we prepared that. Yeah, what will be covered under the week 1, what topics will be covered under the week 2. We have implemented it like this. We have planned that our content to be like this. What will be covered from the machine learning? So these are the different topics. I can't explain within one session to make you clear now all the technicalities. So it will require time to understand in detail. Okay? Yes, machine learning part 2. So advanced topics from the machine learning world again. Then 5th week, natural language processing. Yes, again insert topics in details. And again 6th week also continuation of the NLP topics. So here we are going to learn from the sequence to sequence models, from the transformers. We are going to understand that how the chatbots or ChatGPT has been actually developed. We are going to have a session on the specifically on those learnings only. And here from the week 7, yes, what is really deep learning means what? And at the 8th session, yes, we are going to understand that how an image can be fit in our data set. I mean, our machine. I mean, how our image is being recognized by our machine. The given image belongs to male or female, or cat or a dog, or anything that will recognize by CNN models. We'll call it as a CNN method. These are concepts. So if you see around us world, lot of changes are happening throughout our journey in your WhatsApp from the last 5 years, 6 years. Okay, specifically in the image recognition fields. Okay, nowadays if you see advanced AI features in your smartphones already enabled, right or not? So when you are, for example, if you are using Instagram, what happens? So immediately when you watch a small video of some specific content, and when you liked it, automatically within next step, similar videos are getting to you or not. Similar content videos are coming to you or not. That is what recommendation. How it is happening? Yes, with the help of machine learning techniques only. And when you are opening the e-commerce website, you are seeing that lot of products that are getting displayed. So how they know that what is your interest based on your past historical data? From the historical data, from the searched websites, they are understanding that what are your interests and what products are supposed to be recommended to you. So this is what happening in the backend. So we are going to cover up all these real-time examples. We are going to learn the theory. We are going to cover the code and the applications which is applied in the reality. Which industries are using what reality techniques. We are going to learn in those things are in details. All are clear what I'm talking? So I don't want to mess you with a lot of things in the one session. So we are going to have a slow and state case studies. We are going to, so that's why what I've done is I can take up only 1 hour, but what happens? It will be not sufficient. So we'll take up Monday, Tuesday, 2 hours, and I'll give a break on Wednesday. So during the Wednesday, you can revise the learnings once again. Okay, because completing the syllabus is not our intention. Making the people understanding is actually intention. So on the Wednesday, okay, you can revise the learnings. You can write your doubts, where you got stuck, where you are not clear. And again, you can come back on Thursday. You can discuss with me. You can raise your queries, make it clear. After that, we can go for the Thursday, Friday sessions. Once the Thursday, Friday sessions you are completed, again, you are going to have a Saturday, Sundays. Sundays, you can leave it for your personal time. Saturday, you can learn it once again. Come back with the doubts on Monday again. So that's how the plan is. We have, if you see other courses in other institutes, okay, Monday to Friday continuously people will take up to finish up the content very fast. But content completement finishing is my interest. I'm a person who was having a lot of passion in teaching the people for many years. Okay, so here we are taking the break in between them and making you learn properly, practicing things properly, and come back with your opinions. Once again, we'll talk if required. Based on your question and answers, we'll add up one more week if required. So number is mentioned as 60 to 70 hours is just a number. There are many times that I have exceeded my hours up to 80 hours also because of public's demand. When they're asking me to, sir, can you tell me, explain this process? Can you explain that code? I did not understand. Can you explain this concept 1 second? Yes, I have spent a lot of time with up to 80 hours also. There are some days are there in the past. The only thing is what, yes, the more when you interact with me, the best outcome you will get it. The more when you interact with me, the best outcome I can give you from my end. However, yeah, this is how I have planned for you for the entire, would say, course, right from the scratch level. If you see from the scratch level, we have started it, and I give a best of my knowledge what I can give, and from your end also, I am expecting to give a best, what's say, questions, queries, inputs, suggestions that you can give us. We'll try to make it done from my end. Okay. So that's all. That's all from my end. If anyone has any questions, yes, please quickly you can ask me. I can try to solve it. Any kind of questions that you have regarding the course contents or real-time applications. Yes, we're working on it. We are going to, at the end of the course, we are going to work on a project as well. In between the projects, I mean, in between the classes also, I'll give some assignments kind of things, small assignments, practices, so that it will be helpful to you on day-to-day timings. If required, we'll extend some more 30 minutes during the sessions to make your doubts clarified, solved. So this is how the plan. So yes, if anyone has any questions, doubts, yes, you can raise your voice. I'll try to sort it out. Anyone, if whatever the background you are from, does not matter. You can feel free in talking to me. I'll try to give the best inputs from my end.
Hello all, you have unmute access. You can just unmute and talk.
Hello.
Yes, hi Hitesh.
Nice, sir. Your presentation is very good. I have some query regarding the data science. I am currently working as a full stack engineer
Okay.
in processor technology
Okay.
since like 6 years. I am switching my career into AI or generative AIs or data science development.
Okay.
So
Okay.
your course will go through today session. Okay. My question is there. Uh,
Hmm.
what the process of job oriented job and package is related? The main focus is our main focus is that because of we have a learning a lots of things,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
So how can we crack the interviews and making a much packages of you know
Yes. 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 So the advantage from your end is you are already working as a full stack developer. So definitely you have a good knowledge in the coding. There is no doubt, right or not? So,
yes, I have knowledge in uh, Laravel and PHP side, not in the any kinds of not in the Python.
okay. Some other programming.
Yeah, some other program
Okay.
PHP open source layer.
Mm-hmm. All right. So no need to worry. See, coding, whichever the language that you take now, almost similarities will be there. Writing a code starting from data type, loops, functions, these are quite common in any programming language. So here also you are going to see those things. That is one thing. Second thing. So yes, as you told that you are from 6 years of experience. Now after learning this course, if you have done one or two projects with us, So you can put down in your resume saying that, okay, yes, I already started learning and implemented in my own industry by applying this machine learning and AI things in your own industries. Okay. And you can tell that you can comment that from the last 1.5 years, 2 years, I was already in the field. Okay. And I'm looking for a good position with good hike with the new industries. So this is what you can tell. So here, yeah, looking at all your experience, looking at your technologies, people will definitely give a good amount of hike because now you are already not a fresher, you are a real-time expert with a different set of background. But yes, you can manage yourself saying and showing up your skills. What are the learnings that you have done, what kind of projects that you have done from the last 1 year, and definitely you can raise, I'm not sure about your current CTC, but definitely you can expect minimum 30 to 40% of increment from your regular number.
Okay.
Okay. And regarding the how to crack the interviews, yes, we will take up a one specific session, how to prepare the resume and what kind of questions will be asked in the interview and how to crack the answers. I have a lot of materials of PDFs, okay, which are topic wise interview questions. Okay, each topic, what questions will be asked. So I have such a materials. I will share those things and I will conduct a mock interview to directly to you. And I will make sure that which are the areas you are supposed to improve, which are the topics that you are not up to mark, which are the topics that you are good. So which are the which are the learnings are supposed to improve from your end, and I will give some inputs over there so that you can get, yeah, I would say you can keep crack the interviews anywhere, because almost 90% of the questions what will be asked in the real time, I know it, most of the things, which are the topics are important, how much depth is important, what can be asked in the reality. So almost I'll take up that challenge of taking a mock interview to you all people individually by taking some time when you properly learn. And yes, through that experience, you will get a confident on yourself. Will you achieve the task or not? So you can try with different industries. Probably I told like 80 to 90% same questions will be repeated. So definitely, I'm sure that you can crack the interview as well. All right, Hidesh?
Okay. Okay. Sir, my one question is more.
Yes, yes.
Is there any internship program or it is a covering in a learning session? Is if it is a
You
any
are asking for internship program?
yes internship program, because of we were showing experience later on particular company.
Okay. Yeah, I understood. I understood. So yeah, we are under the discussion with the this topic, which because this request has been even which is already there with us. So we are under the discussion with the Raj Cloud Technologies. So Raj Cloud Technologies will get back to you on this program that how do we plan it? Okay. So we are under the discussion on it.
Okay.
All right.
So it
Yeah.
is a more important
Yes. Correct.
to
Agreed.
entry level of any data science
Correct.
company, and that's
Correct.
why.
Correct. Exactly. Agreed. Agreed. Okay. Yes. We'll come back to that with a decision on that how you plan it. Okay.
Okay. No.
All right.
Thanks, sir.
Yes. Anyone else? Lot of people are there. Anita, Anuj, Anuradha, Anusha, Arun, Yogesh.
Yes, sir. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Ghost Basha. Yes, Basha. Yes.
Yes, really. Yeah. So actually, I have a query. Like, I just joined. I have actually done one of the courses in Informatica long
Okay.
back,
Mm-hmm.
like 2022 or 22 or 23 around. And I am not into software field actually.
Okay.
But actually, I had done that course because one of my friends and known people referred the course. I did it in 2023 around.
Okay.
And by that time, there were no openings into. Actually, my background is teaching, sir.
Okay. Which subject you teach, Basha?
I teach physics.
Nice. Good to hear, Basha. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Right now, I don't know about the software field, all those things, but due to some referred work,
Mm-hmm.
me and I have done the course.
Okay.
And due to lack of confidence, and I also don't know about the like software field.
Hmm.
So I am not very dare to go into the field.
I understand. Okay.
So I have dropped from that. And right now I'm continuing with the same teaching only.
Teaching field only. Okay.
Yes. And my query is, I have total experience of 11 years in my teaching.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
Just my query is, if I'm looking for myself as well as one of my cousins. He is also like he's like 5-6 years or 7 years around. He is not working
Okay.
in any software field. Nothing he's doing, and he's doing courses just like I'm looking here. And how he also has like a career gap, and
Okay.
myself I also have a not a career gap. I can say like I have different field like teaching field.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
my
yeah, in a
query,
different domain. Yeah.
yes. And my query from my side, if I learn these type of courses which I have done like AI and machine learning,
Yes.
and what
Yes.
you are going to explain,
Yes.
and attend the courses, and if I get some experience, hands-on experience by your classes,
Okay.
will it be helpful for me to change my career, like
Understood.
into like AI or something? Will it be really
Understood.
helpful, or say, can I get some confidence from this course, or it be
I
helpful
understood.
for me to change the yes?
Understood. Yeah, I got your point, Basha. Let me explain the plan for personally how you are supposed to do it. Okay. So being a teacher from a different physics background, you are having 11 years of experience. And undoubtedly, I can tell you that you can easily understand the max knowledge, that statistics knowledge, because you are a person from physics background. Okay. And I know how much of the physics is really hard comparing with the max. So definitely you are able to understand. That's no doubt about it. Now come to the plan of how you are going to shift from the teacher to the data scientist. What I suggest for you is after learning the course, you should become a trainer first. Okay. Instead of physics teacher, you are supposed to become machine learning trainer, because you are already having a good amount of teaching experience. So, and once you understand the concept, you know how to make other people teach very well. Why I'm asking you trainer? This is because in the market, to be frank, there are a lot of people are there working as a data scientist, but those are not a good teachers. Okay, those are not really good teachers. Okay, and the person who are really good having the teaching skills is very less, and this is the main problem in the market, that very less number of people are there who are working like a data scientist or ML engineer, but they don't have the teaching skills. And so many institutes, so many companies, specifically in the EdTech companies, for example, Raj Informatica only there. They are also looking for a good trainer of machine learning expert, AI expert. So such issues are there with many companies, many EdTech companies. Great Learning is one of the company. XLR is one of the company. So these are great institutes for learning. But what happens, because of this lack of teaching people here, so they are also not able to identify the best trainers. Still people are recruiting for the best trainers. And I'm sure that you are fit into this role. Okay. So apply for a trainer for 1 year. I'm not asking to continue the same thing for lifelong. Apply for a trainer job for a 1 year and continue the services up to 1.5 year, because you are going to get a hands-free practices, because you are learning, you are also making other people also training during this phase. Okay, during this term, you are also learning, and you are also other people also making train. Now you will get a lot of knowledge, because so many people will ask you questions and you are trying to solve them. So 1.5 year, after doing 1.5 year as a trainer job, now taking this knowledge and train to the IT field. Now you are already had you will be working with the different projects parallelly by making other people teach, and now your current experience and your past experience, take some good number of salary whatever that you have, and you can jump it. So during this jump now we should not look for the, to be frank, we should not look for the offer what they give, because changing the field is important for us. Entering into the market, entering into the market is really important. So we should not expect too much. What they offer, let's take it. What they offer, let's take, because changing the domain is a challenging but possible. But once you start working in the real-time industry, imagine now you will get 12 to 13 years experience max to max. Now once you start experience with the reality, now you can manage yourself in telling to the next company, I am working from the SOM since 5-6 years as a data scientist. Now we can get as many as roles in the market. So you can keep changing, and you can keep jumping to the for every 2 years for a good salary hike. If you are really fit for taking good hike, no company will actually ignore you. They'll give 100% hike and they will make you sit. To be frank, they will make you 100% hike and they will make you sit, because they see that your learnings and your capabilities of handling the projects successfully, no company will start ignoring you. They will give a good amount of hike and they will make you sit in their own industry. This is what happens in the reality. Clear, boss?
Okay, sir. Right. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
All right. Yes. Yep. Any more questions from anyone? Praveen, Rishik, Sai Vishwam, Satish.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hi, sir. My name is Anita. So
Yes, Anita.
my background is a BTech only, but
Okay.
after that, it's been long time. Had a lot of career gap. I have been worked only for 2 years of experience into IT.
Okay.
So after that, I did not do any work. So what you suggest for a housewife, sir?
So, all right, I understood. Understood. So, when you finished out your BTech?
I'm 2007 pass out, sir.
So, okay, all right. So, almost equal to my batch only then. All right, fine. No issues. So, yeah, so you worked only for 2 years. That is
Yes, sir.
what, yeah. And yeah, you got a lot of career back. Yeah,
Mhm.
obviously, for a housewife, there is a probably there is a reason that they will have, because of maintaining the house, yeah, maintaining the kids. So, a lot of responsibilities. Definitely, there is no question about it. So people won't ignore about it. Okay, people will ignore it. Actually, they don't ask why why you got such a break, but people will ask that why you are looking for a change, why you are actually looking for a job. Okay, so this question, now the thing is, yes, definitely you should give a strategic answer over there. So it's a time for to repeat my career life once again. My kids are grown well. Now I want to enter into this area. Yes. Now for your case, because you can't expect too much salary. As I told, like what they give, you have to take it first of all. First case one. Okay. Second case is you are supposed to do projects as many as possible. You are supposed to do projects as many as possible, not just one project. You have to make it 3 to 4 projects with a different exercises. For example, machine learning one project, NLP another project, deep learning another project. Like that, you are supposed to make 3 to 4 projects in a resume. Okay, such that your resume becomes more weightage. Your resume becomes more weightage. So this more weightage should overlap of your gap. Okay,
Right.
if I take your resume, for example, I'm the interviewer. If I'm taking your resume and if I'm reading of the things, I have to be impressed with the projects that how you handled it. I have to keep reading about the projects that what you've done. I should not get a chance to look back that, okay, when you really passed out, okay, when you why you got the career gap. I should not see all those things, because your resume should be filled up with a lot of technicalities, what you covered, what you learned. Okay, so if the person is got a first impression as, yeah, what kind of projects that you handled, so definitely they will try to ask that, yeah, how much of really you have the knowledge on the projects. If you made them explanation well of the entire projects in detail, people won't look back about your experience. People won't look back about your which domain knowledge that you are working for, which experience that you have. So these all things are not really look out. So definitely people will give the opportunity if a person is really talented in the market. So you should be a little bit more focused. You are supposed to give more, as I told, like, more technical, it is little bit, you are supposed to learn it. So definitely you can hit the job. Clear, Anita?
Okay, sir. So
Yes.
also one more question, sir.
Yes, please.
So choosing this machine learning as a career is a good choice with a lot of career gap. So what you suggest that way?
There is no other way, Anita, actually. Currently, only data science, AI, machine learning, only these are the things are ruling over the world. You
Mhm.
can't go with any other small learnings. Okay, if you go with the digital marketing, it is also getting overlapped with the AI. If you go Selenium, it is also getting overlapped with AI. You take any other courses now, everything is getting overlapped, and all those jobs are going to be vanished in the next coming years. Today morning only I have seen a news in the news. Which one is from Microsoft? I think almost of 2,000 people are they have been sending it out because of, yeah, people are not getting upgraded in their own industries. People are not upgrading themselves. People are who are getting upgraded with the AI. Only those people are getting saved. Remaining people are getting smashed out. So only the AI is the only one field which is going to be existed, and only AI is going to make us live in and survive in the reality as well. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. It will, yeah, at the beginning it will be a bit challenging, but yes,
Mhm.
after spending some good amount of time, then definitely you can hit at one time. All right.
Okay, sir. So you'll be suggesting me such type of projects as you told me. So
Yes. See, as a in the document we mentioned actually one project, minimum one project.
Mhm.
If a student is asking me, sir, I need another project, give me some more task, I want to do it. Why can't we help you? What is there to help?
Mhm.
We are not charging anything for any person's help for their career growth. Okay, if you are getting a good job, so it is a, you will get, for me only, you will get a good name, na. Yeah, you will keep
Right.
telling for with a, yeah, I learned from so and so person and I got a good
Mhm.
job. So obviously that mouth talk we need it. The mouth talk will give a good impression rather than just doing randomly or completing the course. So we are looking for the best candidates who are really seriously looking for the career change, and I'm ready to help personally how much best I can do from my end. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Hi Advait, Anuradha here.
Yes, Anuradha.
Advait, I want to say about my concern and I want your suggestions for that.
Yes, please.
Advait, I'm also I have experience as assistant professor
Great. Okay.
for 4 years, and
Yeah.
after that I want to shift to software field. I have done Informatica Power Center in Raj only.
Okay.
And by taking that experience, I have just tried with uh, Informatica Power Center.
Okay.
I have done with many interviews, and at last I have got success in Infosys.
Great.
But due to BGV, it's got like I got termination.
Oh, I understood. I'm sorry for
Yeah.
it. Okay.
And again, after that, now as AI is trending right now,
Mm.
and which is a major part going right now. So again, I started
Learning. Okay. Mm.
learning AI with this Raj
Yes.
Informatica only.
Okay.
So I want some suggestions from you after this termination and everything. If there's
How you are
any
going to
job,
overcome the next, right now?
yeah,
Yes. That's what. See, I'm not sure like what is was happened in detail in the past for you. Maybe
yeah,
you are taken some company's help and you have put down your resume saying that, yeah, I worked on so and so company and all. But this time,
correct.
I'm
Yeah.
not suggesting to do like that. Okay. I'm
Mm,
not suggesting to do like that. I am suggesting to do, take up a data set from the internets which are available and
okay.
write down your learnings, write down your project completely in detail. Okay. If someone
Mm,
has asked that, yes, we have worked on this project of our own and I am ready to help, I am ready to explain everything line to line from my end. So when you will get the line to line confident, if you are really working on a project, not a
correct.
not a fake project, where if you are doing a really a project from your own hands with your own wholeheartedly, so you'll get a good command. So you can tell to the client, I mean, you can tell to the interview, yes, this is a project that I have chosen from my own. I completed my own. Okay. So it's not a fake. It's not, I mean, it's not a fake. Yeah, of course, it's not a fake. And I'm not worked out anywhere. You can tell that I'm not worked out anywhere. But in the past, I have a lot of experience on this area and I'm looking for a career change. And I am definitely, I will fulfill my all the responsibilities with full-fledged knowledge what I learned. So this is what you can make it done in the interview. So better let's avoid such what's it, situations how you have done in the past, like putting a fake resume in a different company, because nowadays, yes, as you told, this background verification is doing a lot. So definitely it will hit back to you back again after few months also. Let's not take the chance. Let's go with a genuine way, with a full-fledged knowledge way. 100% you are going to get the job. Okay.
Oh, yeah, sure, Advait. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello all, Karthik again from Raj Cloud Technologies. So I hope like everyone cleared with your technical doubts. If you still have any technical doubts, like please unmute yourself or you can text me in the chat box here and you can just like ask your questions. And I have provided a feedback link as well in the chat box. Okay, so about like whatever you feel about this session, okay, you can just like give your thoughts here. If there is anything to be improved or if there is everything is good, whatever the feedback you feel about that this session, you can just like use this link and you can just give your feedback, please. And Advait gar, there is a question here in the chat. So I'm recently passed out MSc Statistics student, sir. After completion of this course, what salary can I expect, sir? And how job goes? Can you
Yes,
you
yes,
please
yes.
share?
I read it. I think the question from Rishik, right? Yes.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So nice to hear. You are from MS Statistics, Rishik, and you said after completion of this, so recently passed out. So probably it might be 2024 or 2025. Yes. So to be frank, MSc students, MSc Statistics students are very less actually. Okay. Most of the people are completing their BTechs, and there is a competition between the BTech students only having a high, to be frank. But being a MSc students, very less are in the market, and some companies are specifically looking for the MSc statistics students only. Why? Because statistics is the heart of the our what is it? This AI and machine learning training. Without having the statistics, we can't learn anything. But when you say that I am a from statistics certified from a college, so definitely people will give a more what's the importance to you, your certificate only. The only thing is you are supposed to learn is what? Programming knowledge, because you know statistics, but we don't know the programming language. So concentrate on the programming language and update yourself little bit more about machine learning and deep learning. Definitely you are going to hit, because as I said, MSc statistics students are very less often. Okay, from the last 5 years only, MSc data sciences existed, MSc statistics also implemented in the private colleges. Earlier, it was not there in the private colleges. Only 3 universities are there in the whole Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. One is Usmania, one is Andhra Universities, one is the Sri Venkatesh University, Tirupati. From the last 6 years or 7 years only, other private colleges also started the MSc statistics. Earlier, it was not there. When I'm doing my course now, when I'm doing my MSc now, it was not there for the last 5 6 years only, because universities are started understanding that statistics is going to be play role major role in the coming years. Hence they started implementing in the private colleges also. And yes, your certification is going to be very valid, Rishik. Definitely, yes, you are going to have a lot of advantage using the certificate. Okay, Rishik.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
Karthik.
hope.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Please continue. Yes.
Yeah, that's all from mine. You can continue, Karthik, now.
Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. So I hope like everyone is done with your technical questions. So let's start the registration process and all. I can see something like someone posted from Windows. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we'll take up your question as well. So this is our website. So like this is our website, like a Raj Informatica. So from home screen, if you can just go to the courses section and click on AI with ML training, you will be into this page. and you can check out the complete course details here in this page, like technologies taught, course unique features, and the course curriculum. So weekly basis, like we have given the course curriculum, you can check out here week 1. Okay, week 1, week 2, like that. Like for 8 weeks, like we have given the complete clear course curriculum here. You can just check it out. And to go for the payment, you can right side, you can see this pay and enroll now. Okay, so the course price is 19,999. If you can just click on pay and enroll now, you will be redirected to the payment page. And as I said, there is some special offer is available, right? This is what the special offer is: 15% flat discount on all our courses. Okay, so this is what the 15% discount like we are providing you. So once you can just fill your details and you can choose any of the payment mode and you can just click on the pay here. So your course price will be just 16,999 rupees only. Just a second, please. So the course fee is like 19,999, and the special discount is available. See, this discount is available for only the first 15 students. So we almost got like a nine enrollments till now. Okay, only for the first 15 students they can get flat 15% discount here. So almost like 9 students registered already. So there are only 6 more slots left. So the discount is 15%, and this discounted price is 16,999. Okay, 16,999. This is your course fee today if you can plan. Okay, so this is a very limited time offer. As I said, if 6 people paid today itself, from tomorrow the course price will be 20,000 rupees only. Okay, so just try to plan accordingly, and we accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI. See, if someone want to go with the UPI details, I'm just sharing the UPI details as well in the chat box. So this is our GPay number. Okay, this is our GPay number I have shared with you. Okay, so and for registrations, you can contact us on these 2 numbers, 810-529-6858. You'll get this number as Raj Informatica, and there is one more number, 63616-38108. This is as Megha Raj Cloud Tech. These 2 are our calling and WhatsApp numbers, official calling and WhatsApp numbers. If you receive any information from these 2 numbers, you can believe it as a genuine information. Okay, yes. For more details, you can just call or WhatsApp us on these 2 numbers. Okay, so this is what the course includes. Okay, so as we have already explained by the trainer, like clearly on which are the topics that we will be covering here. So hope you have the clear idea about all the topics. And if you still have any doubt, you can just visit our page. I'm sharing the page link as well. Okay, you can just visit our page and you can proceed with the payment as well. So this is the UPI payment details. If someone want to go for the payment right away, you can just like use this payment details and you can proceed for the enrollment. If you pay now, your course price is just 16,999 rupees only, and this offer is available for only first 15 students. 9 students enrolled already, only 6 slots are left. So if you want to plan, you can just plan accordingly. Got it? Yes. And if someone want to pay through the website is also same process as I have shown you already. You can just proceed like this and you can go for the payment. Okay, so even like after reaching these 15 students, we will be disabling the payments from the website as well. Okay, yes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me or you can post in the chat box as well. As I can see a question here. So hi Advait Garu, like I am Devi, I am passed out 2023 in MCA. Is this course fit for me?
Okay, so where is this question? I did not see it. Can you repeat the question once again, Raj?
Just a second, sir. I'm just sharing the question with you.
All right. It was gone somewhere off my map. I did not see it.
Sorry, just a second. Yeah, I have shared the question with you.
Devi, passed out 2023 name say, is this course? Yes. Okay. Yes. So Devi, you are just recently passed out. Not much, too much long gap. No need to worry. So if you are, if you are doing any kind of job in this gap of 2024 and 2025, if you are not doing also, no worries. Okay. The thing is, you have a good PG, MCA you have done. So computer applications you are known it. You know a little bit of what is programming. You know how to handle the computer very well. Okay. So that learnings is enough. Still you can learn it. Okay. The people who are from MCA, BTech, MSc statistics, these people only will get a lot of openings in the reality in the market. The people who are having computer knowledge or at least a statistics knowledge. So these people only will give the more placements in the reality also, comparing with the other education backgrounds. IT companies are always looking for the computer professionals more. Otherwise, like the domain knowledge, a person having from the statistics. Not all other people. Other backgrounds are coming for other non-IT background related jobs, they will get it. So you are a person from a technical background. So I'm sure that you are capable. You can learn it, Devi. Okay? Hope so. Your query has been solved out.
If you still have any questions, you can ask, you can unmute yourself and you can ask, or else you can just text us also. And I'm just like sharing you again. So we have shared a feedback link with you. Please provide your valuable feedback. I have just shared the link again in the chat box. Again in the chat box. Please provide your feedback. So I hope like all you are cleared with all your doubts, right? Can I get at least yes from your end? If everything is cleared for you, can I just get yes from you?
Yes, Karthik. Karthik, I have another question. Bhavna this side.
Please, Bhavna, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, actually, you actually told us, told me at least, it starts from 26. Can you please let me know the exact date so that I can join directly
Yes.
on that day? Because I'm stopping my office work for these 2 hours. For us, it is at around 3:30 in the afternoon. So I have to stop my work, and then because it is all my interest, out of my interest, but then if you say me the exact date, I'll directly join on that day.
Yeah, definitely. So as we have already posted here in the website, so directly on the 5th June, the first class will be commencing. There is a no change
Okay.
here. So from 5th June, like we'll be starting the classes 4 weeks a day. Sorry, 4 days a week. We'll be having classes.
So thank you so much, Karthik.
Yeah, thank you. Advait Garu, I hope like you can see a question, right?
Yes. I see a couple of questions is asked here. Let me answer it. So a person is asking that, yes, hi, how this is helpful for a manual tester, both for test case preparation. It is completely different. Okay. It is not related to the manual tester and not test case preparation. Okay. It's a completely different job. So manual test is something different. But in the coming seasons, this manual tester are also going to be replaced with the AI only. So it is the right time. I'm not sure your name because it is mentioned as iPhone. Okay. So I'm not sure your name, but yes, it's the right time to change yourself from the testing profile to something technical. Otherwise, later after you are going to face a lot of challenges. So I suggest, yeah, I don't know how much of experience that you are working from the textual background. So if it is a less background, like 3 years, 4 years testing background, that's fine. But if you are working from 10 plus of years of testing background, then it's really become difficult to you because it is like you already made a lot of late. I'm sorry to say that, but yes. So I'm not sure with your experience, but please at least take your time and start learning at least now. At least by 1 year, within 1 year, you may get the good job to change from that profile to here. Okay. And my second question here is what I'm Madhuri with BTech 2008 passed out. Presently, I'm a homemaker with 2 kids. Yes, this kind of question has been already repeated by someone, Anita, I think. So I suggest Madhuri, yes, even for you also. So you are supposed to take up the more time in practicing. Okay, more time in practicing on more projects you are supposed to do, Madhuri. Okay, such that your resume becomes more good weight. Okay, it contains more weightage. It should be overweight. Okay, to be frank. Okay, so if you prepare your resume in such a way that it contains lot of projects, lot of discussions, lot of what's a business problem, how you understood, how you handled with your own learnings, so people will should get impressed. They should not look out your when do you passed out, what is your past experience, did you work at any time or not. And yes, communication also very very important for the people like now who are homemakers are there now. I'm suggesting you communication also very very important along with the technicalities. So you are supposed to give a what do you say, good competition to the recently passed out students. So in such cases, we should give a good competition. Means what? Yes, you should showcase yourself that I am also not less comparing with the other IT background people. I am also capable. I am also can done. So the only thing how you are supposed to do, you have to dominate yourself in the interview, saying that how much you are extremely good in technical as well as the communications. Yes, it's not going to be done within overnight. I agree with that. It's not going to be done within overnight. But if you keep learning continuously from 6 months to 1 year, definitely your hard work someday will get what's it people people will get hard work will get somewhere you will get a light on it. Okay, somewhere you will get a shine in some company. So the day definitely will comes. The only thing was consistently you are supposed to learn it without giving the break. Clear, Madhuri? Yeah, that's all from me. Yes, Karthik, you can.
Yes, Adhvaith, yeah. So I hope like all your questions are answered here. So like if you haven't answered or if you need any special guidance, you just contact us on these numbers 8105296858. Okay, so this is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. We will be available till 11 p.m. Till 11 p.m. we will be available. So if you have any questions, if you want to go for the registration, so yeah, thank you. I received one more payment. Thank you so much. So till now, like we got 10 payments. Okay. So if you can just complete your registrations today, you can just like book a slot in these 5 people as well. Okay. So plan accordingly. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. Before closing the session, I just like want all you to just subscribe to my channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-On Job-Based Training to get all the updates. And this session is also, we are going to upload here in this channel only. Okay, I'm just sharing the channel link again, or you can search as Raj Informatica in YouTube and you can just subscribe to our channel. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Yeah. Have a great day. Thank you all. Bye bye. Yeah.